A case of the hiccups can be quite annoying. They happen to just about everyone.
Our chief health editor, Dr. Nandi, tells us why and how you can stop them. Check it out.
For most people, they last a couple of very long minutes, but a few unlucky ones can suffer with hiccups for days or even months. They're an involuntary contraction or spasm of the diaphragm, and that's the muscle at the base of your lungs that separates your chest from your abdomen. A hiccup makes you inhale quickly, followed by a sudden closure of your vocal cords, creating the hic sound we're all familiar with. Now, it seems hiccups have no purpose for the most part. They happen for a variety of reasons. It could be you ate too much, drank too much alcohol or carbonated beverages, or felt a quick temperature change. Sudden excitement, emotional stress, and swallowing air can also be triggers. Now, if you search the internet for ways to get rid of them, you'll find no shortage of crazy advice. There are no reliable ways to stop them, but here are my prescriptions for logical and easy remedies that you can try. So first, hold your breath and count slowly to 10. This interrupts your normal respiratory cycle and your diaphragm relaxes. Also, secondly, you can also breathe into a paper bag. You'll inhale more carbon dioxide, which can help. Number 3 is you can stimulate your nasopharynx in your throat. Try any of these. Pull on your tongue, gargle with ice water, eat a teaspoon of sugar, or take a bite of lemon. And lastly, try rubbing the back of your neck or tapping it. This stimulates the area over the spinal nerves. If your hiccups don't go away after 48 hours, please see your doctor, as there are medications that can reduce them. Your doctor will also look for rare but serious health problems that could be the cause, like nerve damage, nerve irritation, mental health problems, and central nervous system disorders like tumors, stroke, infections, and cancer. But for the majority of us, hiccups are just a normal part of life that we need to deal with for a short period of time. For the Now Detroit, I'm Dr. Nandi.
Yeah, it can be serious stuff. I remember when I was younger, I popped a sucker in my mouth where a teacher did, and that got rid of them. Anyway, you